In the old days, each town would keep their own times, with a town clock being set to noon when the sun reached its highest point in the sky. However, by the late 19th century, rail had begun to move people across great distances. Schedules became very confusing, as each stop was based on a different town's time. Thus, a need emerged to standardise time so rail could operate more efficiently. In 1884, delegates from 26 countries met in Washington, D.C. to agree on a prime meridian as a common 0 point for longitude. The result was Greenwich, England, being selected as the international standard for 0 degrees longitude and established the 24 time zones. Today, most countries follow the hourly deviations, though they do not always align with longitudes for reasons such as keeping the entire country in one time zone or altering times at certain times of the year, for example, daylight savings time. Time zones are based on the fact that the Earth moves 15 degrees longitude each hour. Since there are 24 hours in a day, there are 24 standard time zones. Time zones are counted from the prime meridian, which is 0 degrees longitude. Each time zone is counted at 15-degree intervals and extends 7.5 degrees either side of a central meridian. For example, Sydney, Australia, lies in the 150 degrees east central meridian, and the time zone includes all locations between 142.5 degrees east and 157.5 degrees east. Now I will show you how to calculate time zones. First, determine whether the time zone is in the eastern or western hemisphere. If the time zone is east of the prime meridian, such as Australia, it will be at an earlier time than Greenwich Mean Time, or GMT. If it is west of the prime meridian, such as Canada, it will be